Everybody, welcome back to my another video tutorial. So in this video I am going to share you how to make an animation, vector graphics animation in Synfigstudio. So this is my result. This is the very basic, and this animation for very basic tutorials. So you can see here. So this is my hand. This is I have already drawn from the Inkscape. And what is the Synfigstudio? It is the 2D animation software. It is you can get it without getting any license. Open source software Synfigstudio. I have how to install it on your Linux system. I have already made a video. So check it out. So 2D vector animation studio, copyright 2001 to 2021, and this version is 1.5.1. and so I have already made this one. You can see here, this is the middle part. This is the middle part, upper hand, middle hand. This is the palm, and this is the upper hand. So how you can draw this one? So I have to draw this one from the Inkscape. You can see here the graphics Inkscape, vector graphics software, vector graphic editor software. It's just like a Corel Draw or Illustrator. So I don't need this app. I want to show you the Inkscape fully open source, and all are coming from the Linux operating system from package manager, Snap or the FlatHub store. So how you can make this one? So at first I delete everything I have deleted. So to make a background, this is a very basic tutorial. It's not for professional. Click on here, click on the rectangular tools and click in here. So come back to the left button corner. This is a color space. If you want to change this color, I want to change the color. You can, the color are already changed in background. So save this file. I have already make this one, this path, select everything and drag in here. So I don't need this folder. So select the path. I don't know what the path and what part of these three path, I don't know. So clicking on here, you can see here you can see here the transform button. Go to the scale button and select the scale it down 0.05. Hit enter 0.05 and hit again enter. So this is middle path. No, I don't know. So I will go to the transform button and scale it down 0.5 and select the next one and go to the transform section, scale down 0.5. So now I can understand what the part, which one, what the part of. This is upper, this is upper part, this is middle part, this is very this is palm, this is palm, this is where this is origin, this is origin, green color is the origin. If you want to change the origin, you choose this line, so you can this is a scale button, set it to, okay, this is the set it now it is set. Okay, save the file. Select all the object and click on here to group a layer, to select the hand, left hand, save the file. Click on here, select inside any folder and just you can see here the select skeleton tool, bone skeleton tool, here to click on here, it already appear. Now I want to add here, so this is the new technique. You can find the same technique in previous version. This version is 1.5.1 version, as you can see here. So 1.5.1 version, this is a very latest version. If you are using this previous version 1.4 point something, 1.4.5 or something like that, the technique is the different. So this technique to add a skeleton, this technique is very different. So new version, if you are using the new version, this technique will appear the same technique in the new version. So click on here, then again click on here and click share. So if you click, you'll already so how to add the all object to the skeleton button. But first you select the upper object, so change the origin palm, I have already, and change the origin. First I choose the upper arm and control button, select the bone. This is the upper arm folder origin point. First select this one. this is the upper arm skeleton button. Click this one and choose this one and right click and link bone. Okay, the same process. I choose the middle object, middle arm object, and control and select the bone. Choose this origin, right click on here and click the bone. Again I choose the palm, select the palm and then control and select the new bone. This is the palm origin point. Click on it here and second step you just right click on here and link to bone. So if I okay, you can see here it already connected to the object. The bone is connected to the object. Now I want to make an animation. To make an animation, first click on this one. This is the timeline of the Synfigstudio, and the Synfigstudio is very easier. If you want to make a simple animation, so I think the Synfigstudio is very easier than a Natron, because I have already using the Natron. The Natron is a node based animation and VFX and motion graphics, vector motion graphics, animation and VFX node based system, but it is not easier than the Synfigstudio. Synfigstudio, to make a more to make a very simple animation, always use the Synfigstudio. I always follow the same rule. I always use the Synfigstudio instead of the Natron. So come back to the Synfigstudio to make animation, to make animation, add a keyframe in the timeline. So click on here, click on her. So this click on here. It is you can see here the total frame is 120. So you can see here the total frame is 120. If you add this, it already, you can see here this is the timeline. It already stop on the 100 frame button. So keep it on frame 1 and hit enter and click on this character to turn on the animate editing mode. To click on here and click on the on the 40 frame. Okay, 40 frame. Select the button, select the skeleton and move it here. Okay, already it automatically set on the add on the keyframe. So go to the 80 frame. I want to choose the same thing. And duplicate. So you can see here, '80 frame. Now I'm to go 100 frame. I want to go to 100 frame and change the okay, change this one, and I want to now go to the 120 frame and select this first frame, or select this frame, select the first frame and duplicate this one. The 20 frame, duplicate this one, duplicate, So this is the very simple animation you can see here. And deactivate the animation. So now play the button. Because I see the bone tool, so I don't want to see the bone tool. So now it is okay. So this was the very basic animation tutorial on the Synfigstudio. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new tutorial. Bye bye.